Listen and repeat, or recall then check. I am not a student this year. I was not a student last year. I am not a student this year. I will not be a student next year. We are not students this year. We were not students last year. We are not students this year. We will not be students next year. You are not a student this year. You were not a student last year. You are not a student this year. You will not be a student next year. She is not a student this year. She was not a student last year. She is not a student this year. She will not be a student next year. He is not a student this year. He was not a student last year. He is not a student this year. He will not be a student next year. They are not students this year. They were not students last year. They are not students this year. They will not be students next year. I do not have a job this month. I did not have a job last month. I do not have a job this month. I will not have a job next month. We do not have jobs this month. We did not have jobs last month. We do not have jobs this month. We will not have jobs next month. You do not have a job this month. You did not have a job last month. You do not have a job this month. You will not have a job next month. She does not have a job this month. She did not have a job last month. She does not have a job this month. She will not have a job next month. He does not have a job this month. He did not have a job last month. He does not have a job this month. He will not have a job next month. They do not have jobs this month. They did not have jobs last month. They do not have jobs this month. They will not have jobs next month. I do not do it today. I did not do it yesterday. I do not do it today. I will not do it tomorrow. We do not do it today. We did not do it yesterday. We do not do it today. We will not do it tomorrow. You do not do it today. You did not do it yesterday. You do not do it today. You will not do it tomorrow. She does not do it today. She did not do it yesterday. She does not do it today. She will not do it tomorrow. He does not do it today. He did not do it yesterday. He does not do it today. He will not do it tomorrow. They do not do it today. They did not do it yesterday. They do not do it today. They will not do it tomorrow.